Yeah, yes, in this times of economic challenge and, the plight of the artists are also challenged by circumstances brought about by what do you like in a girl?
A sense of humor and a lot of money.
I just came from the bank and I was laughing on the way to the bank and from the back because my bank book, it's like close to a million. Yeah. Physically, what do you want to see?
Short, brown hair. Maybe,
How short?
well, yeah, I don't know.
Do you have T-Taurus?
I'm just off the cuff, black shoes, maybe some sort of like a metallic, okay, ribbon.
That's the meaning of it! Oh my God! Well, congratulations, because you're very successful and you're very famous here in our country, and it's really an honor for me to be just in front of you. This is the highlight of my life. And do you know that, what do you say to a person when for example, I say I love you too? What do you have to say? So I will say anyway.
I say I love you back.
Oh, you smell really good. You have to know me. You smell me, huh? Oh my God, that's fine. Okay, you guys do it faster because we have to know each other. Okay, seriously now. Oh my God, thank you. You're such a good sport.
Tuwang-tuwa ako dahil napanood ko lahat eh.
Tumalad mo ba?
Tuwa mo lahat. Halatang ko eh. Adlang dito.
Kinakabahan ako. Pero talagang pinulfill ko yung mission kasi meron kang pinramis.
Oo nga pala. Yung kiss mo galing kay...
Oo, kasi nagpigil-pigil talaga ako kanina, ha? Galing kay Cook, kay David Cook.
Nagawa ko.
Nakausap mo ba siya?
Oo. Sinabi ko rin sa kanya na yun nga, pag nagawa mo yung mission, kailangan i-kiss ka niya. Kaya, ready ka na ba?
Totoo ba to?
Ready ka na, dala akit na siya sa room. Saan ba gusto? Dito o sa room?
Dito na lang. Dito na lang, alay.
Okay, sigit mo muna yung mata mo.
Sandali, mabango ba ako? Main mo nga.
Mapangi. Ready ka na?
Ready na ako. Ikita ka ni David Cook.
Kaya lang, close mo yung eyes mo.
Okay lang.
Di ba mas masarap yung feeling pag naka-close yung eyes para surprise? Tatawagin ko na.
Mr. Cook!
Yan na. Mr. Cook!
Mr. Cook!
Mr. Cook!
Mr. Cook!
Mr. Cook, I told you earlier, you kiss her, okay?
Oh,
And where do you want it? Lips to lips? Huh?
Slowly.
Slowly.
Yes.
Slowly, here. Okay? No.
Ano to? Sino to? Si David Cook ka ba? Ha? Si David Cook ka?
What's her name?
Ha? Ano?
Sherry.
Oh, ano ka? Ba't mo kong naalikan? Cook ka? Ano nga yung kukuk ka? Kaya ka? Ito na yan. Oh, you are the winner. Baka wala.